do it to it, Lars.
Yeah, so our last game ended with us trying to fight that fucking Condor guy who was invincible.
Yeah, I can't do it.
And then we have to go talk to the Matador to get the special power, so I put us right outside the Matador.
Oh, okay, cool.
Because I was like, fuck it. I don't want to fucking go looking for
You
this
must be
guy
the
later.
towel boy. You want an autograph? I don't just hand those out. And that's a good lesson for you. Anticipate disappointment. Take me. I'm the greatest bullfighter who's ever lived. Yet my upcoming match against the town bull has received virtually no marketing support. A towering advertisement was supposed to have been painted just outside my window.
Just
But as
outside.
you can see, the job hasn't even been started.
I think that bull is trampling anyone who tries to paint on the wall. Maybe you could stop it.
So instead of challenging the bull before a stadium packed with screaming women, you want me to fight it on the street in front of one dog and one child wearing a crude towel boy disguise? That's a terrible idea. Here's a better one. You go get that billboard painted and I'll reward you handsomely, which is how I do everything. As an advance, I'll give you one of my secret weapons. Use it if anyone gets stubborn.
We did it.
Okay. Thanks, Jeff. That's the last one.
I think there may be one in the middle.
Confusion. Aha. Confusion.
Oh, maybe we got them all, yeah.
Confusion grades.
Confusion.
Fuck. Shut the fuck up. Alright. Give me this. Alright. Ooh. Give me that.
Alright, well, I guess we can go try to put an ad up.
Yeah.
I guess just right outside here.
Alright. Let's see here. I want to get my... Where is it? Yeah. There we go. She's right down there.
Hey, we really gotta get that billboard painted.
Okay, man, here's the plan. Step 1, I quit we. Step 2, we, which is now just you, runs out there and gets killed painting the billboard.
Maybe I can distract the bull while you paint. It's so crazy, it just might work.
Or maybe it's so crazy that it's just extra crazy. There's absolutely no way I'm going out there, man.
Come on, you're a bulldog. Show some backbone. Plus, who wants to go for a walk? Who wants to go for a walk?
Stupid dog. Brain.
Great. When I say go, boy, get...
Might have to confuse the
Go,
bull.
boy!
I guess. Let's see here. L2. Riveting.
Go.
Go, go, boy!
Yep.
We did it.
There he goes.
It's not great, but I suppose it's just barely good enough. Come see me if you still want your reward.
There you go.
You know, your advice didn't work.
Really? Then here's some new advice. I don't know what you're talking about.
How about that reward?
Fine then. One autograph.
You know, my bulldog friend could still paint a beer gut on that poster out there.
All right, here, take this. But I warn you, I won't be able to sign it.
Oh, cool.
Maximum.
Maximum effort.
Okay, I think we could just jump in that picture and fight him now.
Come fight the dude and beat his
Maybe
ass.
break some stuff, see if you can't find another good grenade. Because you only have 4. I don't know if that's enough for a boss fight.
I don't know how you're supposed to get them back.
Well, you do it like every other item you get. Just break stuff.
Till things pop out.
Yeah.
Alright. That doesn't break.
And if you want to try, we can.
Yeah, why not, right?
He might drop them if you have
Yeah.
the thing.
Alright, what is it? There we go.
Feel that? I can't feel a thing. How about that?
Is this the right Lucha? Ah,
You mean the one that's invincible unless you use the confusion thing that we just got? Yes. Yes, it is.
aha.
You'll never break me. My head will never get all clouded up and confused like yours.
Oh. Hey. The fuck?
Oh.
Okay.
Yep.
Jesus Christ.
I'm telling you, it's impossible.
This is good.
We did it.
The coach says if you stay focused, you can't be beat.
Here, let's give me that.
Yep.
So good.
Let's throw a thing in.
I can't.
Eh. Yep. That was the boss fight.
Fucking did it.
I beat you just like I did in high school, loser. Wait, who am I?
We did it.
Fucking did it. Did I need a bunch of money to buy another painting or something?
I don't think so. I think we had collected it in here. So I think that was it.
I got some cards for you, Edgar.
Perfect. One step closer to her.
This one was a real pain in the butt to get.
Ah, that is exactly the card I need.
Okay.
I hope these things are worth it, Edgar.
Perfect. One step closer to her.
Okay.
Wow.
I do like this very pretty level.
Yeah.
Here you go, Edgar. The last card.
Thank you. You said you would get them, and you did. Not
Yep.
everyone is as true to their word, you know.
Well, now you can finish your tower.
Yes. Now this can all end once and for all.
When I kill them all.
Snap their neck like a twig. Cool.
Wow. It looks like you can walk right up there now, Edgar. Edgar? Edgar?
He's dead.
Huh. Eh. Get up there. Come on, boy. Oh, fuck.
Game has great control.
I mean, this game has a lot of diehard fans. Jeff, I'm scared.
Good. Because you will fall.
Yeah, I probably will. Oh, God. Boing. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. All right.
There we go.
I knew you would save me someday. He just won't let me go. Tell me, how did you kill him?
Kill who?
El Odio.
I didn't. Edgar?
He was the bull the whole time.
Oh, my God.
Probably need to pick stuff up.
Nah, silly.
Watch it!
Elonio is a fierce, magical
You'll
creature.
probably have to pick
It can
something
only
up.
be harmed by the traditional bullfighting weapons.
Okay. I need to get telekinesis out. So, 1 second, sir.
Still hasn't done it.
Yep. Just give me a second. Alright, telekinesis. This one we're going to put on R2. Thank you. Alright. Come on. Eh,
Can't get a good grip.
Oh,
Nice.
ow. No. Grab this thing. I just grab him.
You can probably hit him with those bombs as well.
Those are bombs?
You know the thing you already hit the bull with already
Oh, those.
that stunned him?
Like that?
And then he stops moving? And then you can hit him with stuff?
Oh, it's true. Grab this.
Can't get a good grip.
Oh, God. What? This is really difficult.
Die. Shine.
Shine! El Toro. Yep. No. Okay, never mind. There we go. Aha, riveting.
Let's just make boss fights that take forever.
I mean,
And that you're not really doing much with. You're waiting for the boss to do stuff before you can do stuff.
that count?
No.
Aw.
Ow. Nice.
Oh, God.
I'm glad. No fun.
Yeah. I wonder if I can... Let me lock onto him. There we are. Nope.
You just fucking threw that to the moon. You got him.
Can't get a good grip.
Can't get a good grip. I did it, but I can't get a good grip.
It is impossible.
Watch it.
Come on. Get up. Yep.
Nice. Just lead him over to the middle and hit him with the bomb.
Yeah. Take
I
that.
like he's still making the noise of running around.
Yeah, it's the best.
I thought the game fucking crashed.
Where am I? Thank you for preparing the bull, my humble picador. I shall now finish this beast off easily.
Edgar, listen. There is no Elodio, no Lampita, no Dingo.
What?
You can't let the junior varsity pep squad ruin your life.
What's up with the junior?
Yeah, we were full on varsity.
Give me a G!
G!
Give me an O!
O!
Give me a B!
They stole my happiness,
Give me an F.
my life,
Give me an
the
O.
state semifinals,
What's that
everything.
spell? Bulls!
No, wait! Edgar!
Ha ha ha. He never learns.
Oh no. I can't believe I stuck 4 of those barbed poles in his back.
They're called banderillas.
I gotta get those out of there and protect Edgar. If something happens to him while I'm in his mind, I'll get the boot.
Oh. I wonder.
Can't get a good grip.
Take this.
I am the mighty El Odio! I have all the power of the bull!
And all the weaknesses, I'll bet.
Look out! Here comes El Odio!
Excuse you. Okay.
Can't get a good grip.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Can't get a good grip.
Okay, didn't count. Alright, I'm getting this. Oh, cool. Thanks for the arrowhead.
Thank you for the
Can't get a
dollar.
good grip.
I do it like way too
El
late.
Odio is a fierce, magical creature. He can only be harmed by the traditional bullfighting weapons.
Okay. I need more grenades.
I go get
Look out!
grenades.
Here comes El Odio!
Man, it's so great that he takes fucking forever to do anything.
Oh,
Nice.
Look out! Here comes El Odio!
yeah, go for it.
You have to. I think you have to pull those things out of him somehow.
Alright, let's see. I think R2.
Yeah.
Oh, I
And
see.
then you just stabbed it back into him.
Go. Move. Stop. What? There we go. There we go. Okay, I get it.
And then I think you hit him with them after.
Okay. Get out of here. And I can buy a little time by hitting him. You're in my way, bud.
Yeah, it does look like he does appear next to you, so.
Yeah.
You got one.
Yeah. But I need 2 because I think I have to hit.
No, I
Him,
don't think
like-
you do. I think you just need to hit him and then hit him with a...
All right. So I hit this guy with 1.
No.
All right, I have an idea. Come over here. And then I hit you with this.
And then pick up that and
Look
shoot him.
out! Here comes El Odio!
You're targeting the bull.
Ow!
There you go.
El Odio's hit!
Only fucking 8 more times. Oh, but you do have to take him. You don't have any more.
Look out! Here comes
Yeah,
El
no.
Odio!
I need.
Now you need to hit him.
Can't get a good grip.
Oh, and he gets health back for it.
There we go.
That's at least less annoying.
Yeah. All right. I just need some grenades now.
There's one.
Yeah.
You also do need to get him closer.
Closer. Yes.
To those things.
Did you get out of the
Go
way?
away. Fuck. Well, that one just disappeared, I guess.
There we
Okay.
go.
Let's... It's real fun when your ammo runs away from you.
Yeah.
All right. Bomb him.
Can't get a good grip.
Look out! Here comes El Odio! Ow! El Odio doesn't
You're not
like
gonna-
that!
You're not gonna be. Boom.
Look out! Here comes El Odio! Ow! Right in El Odio's butt!
There we go.
Look out! Here! Ow! El
You're dead
Odio
now.
Is dying.
You're dead. Please go away.
It's all right. It's okay. We'll win the game some other day.
Please. Edgar, look at them. They're too pathetic to hurt you anymore. Can't you just
Look
let
how
it
much
go?
they suck.
How
Yeah.
embarrassing. I can't believe I was hung up for so long over these losers.
Like, that's just a
always
corpse.
loved you more?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You did it.
Fucking did it.
It's literally all we had to do. It was
Yeah,
like
fuck.
20 minutes.
Find Edgar Tegle. Fini, when you deliver this to my patron, Raz, you may also hand him my farewell, for I am checking myself out of here. You have unchained my mind, young friend. So before I go, I'd like to show my gratitude by painting you a real work of art.
No bull?
You make light of my mental problems, and still, I have no rage. Amazing.
Cool. Nice.
There you go. Now you can equip all of them.
All of the wall. Excuse me. Ah.
Will he figure it out? That's the main question.
Nope. I will not. I need this.
Don't talk to him. You've literally put on one thing. You've done 3 missions in this area.
Yeah.
Each one gave you something,
Yeah.
so equip them.
And then it was the straight jacket. And there's something else. I don't. trophy? No. No. I don't know. What's the last thing, Jeff?
It's the trophy.
Is it the trophy? Oh my god. Oh, I'm the claw guy. I see. I get it now. Alright, excuse me.
Greetings, Dr. Loboto. Good to see your face. I see you're wearing your favorite jacket. If I may say so, your claw is looking especially menacing today. Up to the secret laboratory then, is it? Taking her up yourself this time, eh, Doctor? Less work for me.
Inmate Whitehead.
Chief Orderly Bonaparte. You're
Armed.
He's armed.
He had tiny little arms,
Yeah,
too.
the
For how tall
tiniest-
he is.
Well, here
The
I
tiniest
am.
one.
Up in the
For how
tower
tall
of
that
the
guy
insane
is. He has
asylum,
very small arms.
Mm-hmm.
wearing a straitjacket, talking to myself.
Yeah.
Okay, enough with the disguise. The things I do for Lily's brain. Well, if I'm gonna get to the top of this thing, I'd better start hiking.
You gotta be on lookout for brains, too.